Have weather worries? Let us set your mind at ease. Hail, wind, and heavy snow are no match for the incredibly strong Solexx construction. It all starts with the unique composite framing, the same material used to make bridge beams. The extra strong frame combined with Solexx twin wall covering stand up to what nature, or man, dishes out. Unlike other greenhouse kits, Solexx panels attach to the outside of the frame and are secured with screws. The channel-free construction prevents panels from popping out during windstorms and add to the strength of the structure. The external application, along with the high tensile strength of Solexx, gives Solexx the strength to withstand hurricane-force winds. We've engineered the inside to be equally strong. You can't do this with PVC. Our unique framing is the same high-density composite material used to make bridge beams. Hold all of your heavy pots on the spacious built-in bench frames and hanging rods. Each hanging rod holds 200 pounds, and the roomy built-in bench frames hold 500 pounds each. That's a combined total of nearly 2,500 pounds. That's a lot of plants. This is one solid, stable, unwavering, and unyielding greenhouse. The best results come from a Solexx greenhouse.